Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer funds to Interactive Brokers. First, you'll need to decide on your preferred funding method. Common options include a bank wire or an automated clearinghouse or ETC transfer. It's crucial to ensure your bank account is properly linked and verified with your Interactive Brokers account before you begin. Also, be aware that processing times can vary significantly depending on the method you choose. For a bank wire transfer, begin by logging into your client portal. Navigate to the Transfer and Pay section, then select Transfer Funds and choose Deposit. You will then receive specific wire instructions, including the bank name, address, and your unique account number. Take these details to your bank, either in person or through their online portal, to complete the transfer. Wires typically process within 1 to 3 business days. If you prefer an ACH transfer, also known as an automated clearinghouse transfer, start by accessing the Transfer and Pay menu and selecting Deposit. You will need to link your bank account by providing your bank's routing and account numbers. Once linked, specify the exact amount you wish to transfer from your bank account. Review all the transfer details carefully, then submit your request. ACH transfers usually take 3 to 5 business days. Before finalizing any transfer, always verify the daily and monthly transfer limits applicable to your account type. Be mindful of any potential fees that might be charged by your bank or by Interactive Brokers for certain transfer methods. It is absolutely essential that the name on your bank account exactly matches the name on your Interactive Brokers account to avoid delays. Finally, regularly monitor your transfer status within the client portal for updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.